There's been a long time, silent like a song. Minutes felt like raindrops, rushing me along. Why is it so fast, this river in the night? We only blink and time has taken flight. I scroll through faded pictures, trying to relive the laughter echoing in snapshots summer gives. All those moments woven with gold, stories I can't help but hold, wishing for one slow rewind. Miss time, where did you go? Why can't we stay a little longer in your glow? Can't go back to old days, but these memories remain lovely and sweet, running wild through my brain. Thank you, Lord, for blessing us in the light and the rain. Keep blessing us for the day ahead and heal all this pain.